Welcome to the first tutorial on Theme A. It's a good idea to take notes on the key points I mention. We will be looking at what it means to belong to a community, neighborhoods and the communities you belong to. A community is a group of people who are in close contact and who share common interests and values. A neighborhood is a local area within which people live as neighbors, sharing living space and interests. Most people belong to several communities. Someone your age, living in the UK, could be a member of school, their local neighborhood, the country, and a religious group, for example. There is a lot of overlap between different communities. A neighborhood might be the whole of a village or small town, but in a city, the neighborhood can be more difficult to identify. For example, someone living in Gordon might think of their neighborhood as Manchester, or East Manchester, or Gordon, or a particularly street or area within Gordon. Can you think of which communities you belong to? Your community might be related to your religion, for example the Christian or Muslim community. It might be the country you were born in, or the country your parents were born in, for example the Nigerian or Pakistani community. Your community might be related to the football team you support, like Manchester United, or any organization or club you're a part of. In the exam, you might be asked to explain why someone may belong to more than one community.
We go together like Rama Rama Rama, ding 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 dong. Remember forever as you walk.